This video will demonstrate how to install the Leviton Decora Smart 1000 watt dimmer. It is the same physical hardware installation process for Z-Wave, Wi-Fi, and HomeKit product family versions. Upon completion of installation, please download the appropriate app to set up and control from a smartphone or tablet. Please be certain to follow all wiring instructions and diagrams provided with the product. When installing and terminating these Leviton devices, please have the following tools on hand: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, electrician's pliers, a wire stripper, electrical tape, a handheld voltage tester, and properly sized wire connectors. Be sure to turn the power off at the circuit breaker and use a voltage tester to ensure that the power is completely off. Now we need to identify the hot wire. To do this, turn the circuit breaker back on. Carefully use the voltage tester to test each wire. The hot wire will be indicated by the tester. Once identified, turn off the circuit breaker to shut power and test to ensure that the power is off. Use a small piece of electrical tape to label hot wire. Identify whether the wiring application is single pole or a three-way application. If wiring in the wall box does not resemble either of these configurations, please consult an electrician. We will begin with a single pole application. Please note that in this example, there is a black hot line wire, a black load wire, two white neutral wires, and a bare copper wire, which is the ground. Keep in mind the colors of these wires can vary. The hot wire may be black or red. The ground wire could be green or bare copper. If you're unsure, please contact an electrician. Next, please make sure that the ends of the wire from the wall box are straight and stripped approximately 5/8 of an inch. If not, you may need to cut. To wire, take the green ground lead on the device and the ground wall box wire and twist in a clockwise direction. Next, wire together the white lead on the device and the white neutral wall box wire. Next, wire together the red lead on the device and black load wall box wire. Finally, wire together the black lead on the device and the black hot wall box wire. The wires are now terminated. Give the wires a tug to ensure they are firmly held in the wire connector. The yellow-red dimmer lead should have a red insulation affixed. If the red insulation label is not affixed, please use electrical tape or a wire connector to cover. Dress the terminated wires with electrical tape to ensure stability before the device is installed in the wall box. The device is now terminated. Gently bend the wires and push them into the wall box. Screw in the mounting screws in the wall box mounting holes. Install a wall plate. We are now going to test the device. Restore power at the circuit breaker or fuse. The status light on the dimmer will illuminate green. Press the top of the dimmer to turn the controlled light on. Press the dim bright bar up and down to raise and lower the light level. Depending upon the type of bulb you're using, you may need to make some adjustments to the settings. If lights do not turn on, refer to the troubleshooting section of the instructions. Your DZ1KD, DW1KD, or DH1KD is now ready to use like any regular dimmer. In order to control it from your phone, you need to connect it to an app. For the DZ1KD, please consult the appropriate app for your Z-Wave capable smart hub or security system, such as Samsung SmartThings or the Wink Hub. For the DW1KD, please download the My Leviton app for iOS or Android and follow the in-app setup process. There's no hub required, though you can add an optional Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for voice control over your Wi-Fi lighting controls. For the DH1KD, please download the Decora Smart Home app to an iOS device and follow the in-app wizard prompts to easily and securely connect your Leviton HomeKit-enabled devices. You can also customize the experience with variable fade rates, brightness levels, and bulb types. Learn more about the Decora Smart product lines with Z-Wave, Wi-Fi, or HomeKit. Please visit leviton.com/DecoraSmart.